Good morning, everyone. John from Platinum RV here. It is a somewhat sunny Saturday morning at the dealership, and we're just getting everything ready for the day. But I wanted to come to you and give you some big news that we have here. We've actually got two major announcements I wanted to tell you about. The very first one is that after 6.5 years of being at this great location on Highway 10, we are planning our second major expansion, and that involves us moving. We're going to be moving to Erin, Ontario. I'm going to put some more information online for you guys as we go. We'll update the website as we get a little closer. Final move-in date won't be closer, or will be closer to beginning of July. So we've still got a little bit of time there. But very exciting. The new place has got a fantastic facility. We've got a larger service area. We've got 3 mammoth bays that we could put, I think all 3 bays, we can put a motorhome in, large fifth wheels, or of course regular travel trailers. Anything that we need to do repairs on. We've got lots of room now to do that, which has been something we really haven't had at this location. The second thing there is we're going to have a larger parts room, and we're going to have a larger sales area. We're going to have a nice bit of a little lounge there, so it's just a fantastic setup. So we're very excited about that. That's a very big step for us, and we're looking forward to serving everyone there as well. That brings me to the second big announcement we've got. We are having our first ever moving sale. So everything is on sale we have right now. If it's in stock, if it's parts, if it's toilet paper, chemicals, hitches, anything we've got, it's on sale. All of our trailers are on sale. All of our Vibe travel trailers from large to small. All of our Riverside travel trailers. All of our new camp teardrop trailers, tab trailers, and truck campers. Everything we have is on sale. Even our used trailers are on sale right now. So give us a call. Come on in. We look forward to seeing you. You can find us online at platinumrvsales.com, or of course email at info@platinumrvsales.com. Our phone number is 1-877-847-8843, and look online. We'll be doing some posts and updates on Facebook and on our website and Instagram, but we look forward to seeing you. This is our biggest sale we've ever done. We've never had pricing like we've got right now, and it just saves us moving a lot of stuff up to the new location. So we're looking forward to it. Come on in. We look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks so much.